Today I'm sharing this portable cordless tire inflator, and I think it's one of those tools every vehicle should have in the trunk. Inside the box, it comes with the air compressor, a charging cable, an air hose, and multiple valve adapters, so you can inflate much more than just car tires. It's also compatible with bicycles, motorcycles, sports balls, and other inflatables, making it a really versatile tool to have on hand. What I like most is how easy it is to use. Simply choose one of the preset modes for your car, bike, or ball, or select the custom mode if you want to set your own pressure. The digital display shows your current tire pressure in real time, and once you've entered the desired PSI, just press start. The best part is that it automatically shuts off once it reaches the preset pressure, so there's no guessing and no worrying about overinflating your tires. It's cordless and rechargeable, which makes it incredibly convenient. I can keep it in my vehicle without needing to plug it into a power outlet every time I use it. The built-in LED light is another feature I really appreciate, especially if you ever need to add air at night or during a roadside emergency. Despite its compact size, it delivers up to 150 psi and inflates surprisingly quickly, while the improved cooling system allows it to run longer without overheating. Overall, it's compact, easy to operate, and versatile enough to handle everything from vehicle tires to bikes and sports equipment. It's definitely one of those tools you hope you won't need often, but you'll be very glad to have it when you do. And thank you to the brand for sending this portable tire inflator for me to try and share with you today.